Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find accessibility. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the Talkback, so let's tap on it, and in order to turn it on you will have to tap on this switcher. But before, let's enter the settings, because here you can customize it. So for example, you can decide if you'd like to speak the passwords, if you'd like to feel the vibration feedback. For example, you can set also the gestures, so you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, swiping down, then up. Quite a lot of options to customize. Just tap on it, and here you will get into the list of possible gestures which you can set. So I highly recommend to customize this mode just like you want, but I will leave it like this. And let me get back and let me turn on the Talkback actually. So let's tap on the switcher. Now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So just tap on allow, and as you can see, let me volume it down a little. And as you can see, we are in a Talkback tutorial, so if you will turn it on for the very first time, then it will open the tutorial with lessons. You will be able to go through it and learn the basics of using the Talkback. But right now I will show you the shortcut of it, because if for some reason your device just turned on the Talkback without your knowledge, then you will still be able to use it and, for example, get into proper settings and turn it off. So firstly, let me show you how to enter something or how to choose something and activate, because you can do it the same way. All you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and you'll see a green frame around it, and obviously hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to activate. We just got back to the very first page of the Talkback tutorial, so let me do it again. And let's get back to the general settings, and here we are. So here I can show you how to swipe, and you have to use two fingers to do that this way, and it's quite tricky, I suppose, in this device. Okay, I don't know how to swipe here. Okay, so as you can see, it's not very sensitive, so you have to put a lot of pressure of your fingers on the screen in order to swipe. So it's quite tricky, as I said. So right now I can show you how to turn it off, because I've just shown you the basics of it. So just double tap on accessibility settings, tap on the Talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on stop, and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off, so you just have to do the same way which you've used to turn it on. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.